It is time for the floor plan tool. The plane has been set for the floor that needs to be vectorized. Pointorama detects surfaces with centimeter precision. Hover with the cursor over a surface, and as a visual cue, the detected surface is highlighted in gray. Define which surfaces you want to use to generate vector lines for walls. So let's activate the floor plan tool. Aim and click once to set the starting point of a line. Your next click is on the next surface, which functions as an endpoint for the line and defines the direction for the next line. In real time, you can follow the result, the black lines projected onto the drawing plane. From here on, navigate to your next surface using left mouse click to orbit, scroll wheel to zoom, or a right mouse click to reposition. And then when you notice a mistake, right click to remove the last added segment and continue drawing. If it's hard to snap to a specific surface, press Shift and click. This will create a perpendicular angle, and check the feedback around the line there. You can see it says 90 degrees. Let's use the Shift again. Oh, and again a mistake. Right-click to remove this segment. And here, for instance, the line goes way out. This can happen when the point cloud resolution lacks a bit in density and you click between points. For the next surface, it looks like I did a bit too much of isolating. You can still change the clipping parameters while drawing. Let's change this, and now you have a better view of the surface which you want to use. So just continue drawing, including all the necessary elements by navigating and clicking. Then once you returned to the starting point, you can either double click to finish drawing. That will result in a polyline, or if you prefer a closed polygon, hover around the starting point, and as soon as all the dimensions appear, click to finalize. In the left panel, we can name the polygon, change the color, that's again in the right panel, and show or not show the square meters. In the right panel, you can change the appearance by toggling properties on or off, for example, the distance labels. Have fun vectorizing.